Hi friend, welcome again. This is Alok. Today we'll learn how HashMap works internally. So what is HashMap? HashMap is part of Java collection framework. It implements map interface. It uses hashing technique. So what is hashing technique? It is the process of converting any given key into another value. So this key is passed through hash function and it generates the hash value out of it. HashMap, it uses the equals and hash code function. So what is equals? Equals, it checks the equality of two objects and it compares the key whether they are equal or not. To overcome the collision, this functionality is being used. And what is hash code? Hash code, it returns the memory reference of the object in integer form. The value received from the method, it is used as a bucket number. We'll see in the further slide what is the bucket in the hash map. For now, just consider hash code of the null key is 0. Both hash code and equals method as part of object class. So what is object class? Object class is the superclass in the Java. Every class like HashMap, it extends by default object class. So we can override the functionality of equals and hash code function. Let's see how HashMap works, how it looks internally. See HashMap, we have index 0 to 15. So what is 0 to 15? It is the bucket numbering in the hash map. Why it is 0 to 15? Because by default, the hash map size is of 16. So at the bucket 0, different entries are there. What is these entries? Entries are the node. So hash map internals, it stores the data in the pair of key and value. So consider this node as a class. We can see in the previous slide, we have mentioned this entry. So entry is nothing but each node. Each node has key, value, and has along with the node that points to the another node in the bucket. It uses the array and linked list data structure internally for storing key and value. See here, each node is linked with the another node in the bucket. So in the bucket, a bucket is the array of node. Each node of type linked list, see index, is calculated out of this hash code. Let's see for the put method how it works. I have defined one hash map and I have put 3 key and values inside that. Alok Mishra brainstorming. For the Alok key, hash code is generated and index is calculated with this formula. Let's see. The index comes 5. So at 5th index in the bucket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, this Alok node is stored. Now for Mishra key, let's see the hash code is same. So index will be generated as 5. So at 5th, there is already one node that exists. So problem of collision comes. So with the help of equals method, this collision is removed. It compared this key. If this key is equals, then it overrides that node with the existing node. Else, it link this node with the another node. So like this, linking happens. Let's see how get method works. So for the get, we need key. With the key, hash code generated. With the hash code, index is generated. For the Alok key, index comes out at 5. So at 5th index, there are 2 nodes. At 5th index, there are 2 nodes. One is Alok, one is Mishra. So with the help of equals method, it compares. So Alok key is equal to Mishra? No. So it will traverse to the another node. For the Alok key matches, it returns the value out of it. Let's see how things work in the code world. See here, I have mentioned this hash map with the 3 keys. Let's go inside this put method. Put method, we can go the implementations of hash map. So here you can see associate the specified value with the specified key in the map. If the map previously contained mapping for the key, then old is replaced. That's why in the hash map, we cannot store the duplicate key. So for the key given key Alok, we can store only the value of Alok. So here, if another value is stored in the Alok key, then it will be replaced by previous key. Let's go inside this put. So here, this tree node data structure is used and equals is used to compare the keys. Let's go to the get method. If we go to the implementation of the hash map, with the help of equals, it get the value out of it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.